Hi, this is Devasis. Welcome to our channel. In this video, today I'm gonna tell you guys what are the simple ways to spend your free time during lockdown. There are some ways to fill your free time with useful things. Prevention is better than cure. The significance of this everlasting quote cannot be questioned, especially at a time when the whole world is fighting against the deadly coronavirus. Today, coronavirus has become a serious cause of global fear and concern. However, we can avoid this life threatening virus from affecting us and our loved ones. But how? Just by learning from the mistakes of other countries, being conscious, and taking preventive measures. By now, you must be aware of various preventive measures such as the use of masks, regularly washing hands with soap and water, and others. In spite of that, staying at home is probably the best precaution you can take at the present time to prevent COVID 19 from making you and your family its victim. Many people are finding coronavirus lockdown comfortable. If you are not one among them, you definitely need to engage in something to make this time at home productive rather than boring or frustrating. So if you have been finding it difficult to stay ideal for a long period of time without going anywhere or without doing anything fun, here are some things you can do to utilize your time. Number 1. Fitness. It is probably the best time you can indulge in exercising and ensuring that you remain healthy and fit. You can either start a new form of exercise or continue with your old one, as per as your wish. What's the base is that, in both cases, you will work towards improving your immunity. Number 2. Finding healthy food items to eat. Apart from searching up coronavirus related topic on Google, you can also look for healthy food items that you can include in your diet. You can also check the nutritional level of the food items that you consume on daily basis and include or exclude certain items according to your needs. Number 3. Meditate. If you want to experience mental and physical peace, put on some music and try doing meditation. Meditation will also help you reduce stress, increase energy, enhance immunity system, and benefit in a lot more ways. Number 4. Practice dance. Whether or not you are a fan of dancing, give it a try. You can also learn new form of dance. It will not only improve your mood, health and fitness, but also help you increases your confidence. Number 5. Spend quality time with family. When you are getting opportunity to stay at home 24 into 7, you can make it enjoyable with your family members around you. Try to involve yourself as much as you can with family discussion and focus on spreading laughter and taking the same in return. If you used to spend significant time with hobbies, it is the perfect chance to make it up with your family. Number 6. Contact family prayers. During this terrific crisis, it is essential spend time on worshiping and praying to God in the evening. Gather all family members and pray together to God Almighty. A few minutes of prayers of holy contemplation can clear your day, long stays, and convey peace to everyone's mind. Number 7. Read books or novels. Reading books is a habit of high standard. It expands your intellectual ability and multiplies your wisdom. The more you read, the more your perception get clearer, and the more you gain knowledge. You can select storytelling books, novel, science fiction, novels, or any other genres of your choice. Reading books some hours every day is an ideal mental exercise. Number 8. Learn new techniques from YouTube. The internet one of the coolest thing you can take advantage of during current situation. If you have good internet connection, YouTube is a great platform to spend while learning new skill and techniques. You can get ideas about variety of food recipes by watching videos on YouTube. Many other essential and entertaining techniques can be learned from online video streaming platform like YouTube. Number 9. Play indoor games. It's a great way to entertain during quarantine days by playing chess, ludo, and card games. Make family members your opponents and accumulation some unforgettable moments By playing games, you will get to consume some quality time with your family members and create enchanted scenarios. These games are quite exciting and positively influence your mind. Number 10. Watch movie and TV show. Movies are among the topmost constituents that amuse humans when they get bored. Watch new movies are moral boosters, work knowledge gaining ingredients. TV channels are broadcasting a wide range of shows that you can enjoy every day. Additionally, keep updates of the latest news and continuously refresh the coronavirus information. Use your time in lockdown wisely. Instead of stress and anxiety, utilize this time to improve your skill and stay positive. As Napoleon Hill said, every adversity brings with it a seed of equal or greater opportunity. When you think positively, you can get many new opportunity in life under any circumstances. Thank you so much guys to stay till the end of this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up, and for more videos, subscribe our channel. See you again.